Hi, I'm Dr. Fred Eccles, Acting Director of Health for the City of St. Louis. This week's questions from the community focused on Halloween safety during COVID-19. Sandra from zip code 63115 asks, will the traditional neighborhood door-to-door trick-or-treating be permitted in the City of St. Louis this Halloween? Yes, door-to-door neighborhood trick-or-treating is authorized. However, parents and guardians who intend to take their children out should make sure they practice social distancing, properly wear a face covering so it covers from under their chin up to the bridge of their nose, and ensure proper hand washing is conducted. As a critical safety measure, we also want to remind parents to inspect the candy that is collected prior to allowing your children to consume it. Jill from zip code 63118 asked, our church usually has a trunk or treat event for church families and the neighborhood children during the Halloween season. Does the Department of Health have any concerns about that type of event during the pandemic? Trunk or treats are a favorite Halloween event and can be a lot of fun. The Department of Health recommends making a small adjustment to your event this year. Instead of having the costumed attendees walk from car to car, make it a drive-through event. After securing a large parking lot to allow for adhering to 6 feet social distancing guidelines and having proper hand hygiene practices in place, have attendees stay in their vehicles, instruct their drivers to transport them from station to station, and have volunteers load snacks into the trunk of their vehicle. A limited number of persons should staff the event and keep stations replenished and monitor social distancing. Vanessa from zip code 63103 asked, are costume parades and costume contests allowed? Any Halloween event where large groups would congregate is not recommended. At this time, the St. Louis region, along with other communities across the United States and the world, are experiencing a spike in COVID-19 cases. Attending large gatherings will increase your risk of contracting COVID-19. Virtual events offer a safer option to traditional costume parades and costume contests and provide children with the opportunity to show off their costumes to family and friends. We are mindful of the joy and excitement associated with Halloween, but we really need everyone to do their part and enjoy Halloween in a safe and responsible manner. As we close this week's Ask Dr. Eccles segment, the City of St. Louis Department of Health would like to encourage children to dream big dreams as they consider their Halloween costumes. How about a scientist, public health professional, medical professional, first responder, like a fireman and law enforcement officer, astronaut, judge, farmer, educator, writer, and statesperson? We also want to encourage parents to take this time to talk with their children about what they aspire to be. This can be an opportunity to identify additional ways to support their dreams. As an African-American male who grew up in a single-parent household, I know that with the right support, your child can achieve their dreams. The City of St. Louis Department of Health cares and desires for every individual to thrive, accomplish their dreams, and achieve optimal health. Thank you for tuning in this week, and thank you to everyone who sent questions about Halloween safety during COVID-19. Be sure to tune in next week for more critical public health information. I really want to hear from you, St. Louis. Please send your questions to health@stlouis-mo.gov. Questions will be answered in the order they are received. If I run out of time on air, your question will be answered by return email. Be well.